Life is continuously unfolding in the present moment, offering us a unique opportunity to experience each instant as it happens. By cultivating awareness and presence, we become more attuned to our surroundings, thoughts, and emotions. This mindful approach allows us to fully engage with life rather than being distracted by memories of the past or worries about the future. Embracing the present moment can lead to greater clarity, peace, and fulfillment in our daily lives. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.